Hi, I'm Tristan McCauley from Lucky 7 Tattoo, and I'm going to show you how to remove a nostril screw. The first thing you want to make sure is that your nose piercing is totally healed before you try to remove it. Removing it before it's healed can lead to an infection or other complications due to the trauma. If you're going to a shop to have it removed, make sure that they're a reputable shop and they're regulated by the local health department or OSHA. If you're going to do it yourself, this is how you do it. First of all, being that the nose screw is shaped the way it is, with a straight shaft and the curve, you want to pull straight out, like that, and then turn it like a corkscrew, and it should pop right out. And again, you want to make sure that all your jewelry is pre-packaged, pre-sterilized before you try to put anything else in. And you want to make sure that your piercing is healed before you try to take that one out. And that is how you remove a nostril screw.